Hello everyone and welcome to day 5 of our funded series journey. Today is the last day of the week and we got the sweep of the Asian lows right here, and in London session we did not get any change of character. So right now we are inside this 15-minute fair value gap, and the New York session has also started. So let's shift to the 1 minute time frame. And now as you can see that we broke below this low, and the last low that we broke was this one. So this is our break of structure, and now we need to close above this high to shift to bullish structure, and then we can plan a trade. Right now the price looks like it want to make a new lower low, but this will not be our structure as this is not a proper retracement. Okay, so we got the break of structure right there, and after that price pushed towards upside and we got this change of character. After that I shifted to the 15-minute time frame, and we had a inverted fair value gap right there. I placed my limit at the high and we are currently inside the trade, and as soon as I got this break of structure, I have moved my stops to break even. So if now price goes to our entry level, we will get stopped out for break even. And then my first target is 5 hour. We will close 50% of the position there, and the rest of the position we will take it towards these highs. And till these highs, the position would be around 17 hour. So that's a bit unrealistic. So still we will close 50% at 5 hour so that we don't lose. The New York session is closed and we are currently up around 3.46 hour. Our stop loss is on break even. Now if price hits our stop loss, we are not going to lose any money. Okay, so the trade looks around 5 hour right now on trading view, but it's actually not 5 hour on broker because of the spread. My 5 hour would be around this level, 555. That would be my 5 hour, which is shown as 6 hour on trading view because of the spread. So let's wait to get to that. And once again we hit another break even. The price went around 5.05 hour, but it did not hit our target because our 5 hour was a little higher because of spread, and we got stopped out at break even and we lost around $4 again on commissions, and currently our account is down around $72. And this is the end of the first week of our funded journey, and we took around four trades this week with one SL and three break evens. The SL was around $42, but the rest of the amount around $34 it was because of commissions. I'll meet you in the next video on Monday. Till then, stay tuned.